Okay, what's going on, guys? We're back on with another video. I have to rejoin because I cannot move. I cannot use my WASD. What in the name? I am not moving. What the heck's happening? Looks like I have to move my mouse to move around now. I'm not controlling this. Okay. Huh. Okay. I can't even freaking press L. Okay. These are my freaking arrow keys. I ain't no peasant. Okay. Alright. 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 We in. Alright. I'm not gonna tell him that. Okay, book one. Oh, I have to spectate now? Oh, that's bullcrap. No, I'm doing the glitch. I'm doing the glitch. Okay, I can use, okay. I'm doing the glitch. Xing out. Starting it up. Xing out. Starting it up. Xing out. And the glitch should be working. And we should be able to get back into the round. Oh, my goodness gracious. Okay. Alright. Okay. Piggy book 2, chapter 2. What in the... Now? I'm trying to... this is annoying. Okay. Let me just go full screen. That's better. Oh, mini boots. Okay, now let's all be right back, because I gotta go get my popcorn. Be right back. Alright. I'm back, guys. Okay. Should be working. What? Where's he at? Oh, he's dead. He died. Oh, he's the RoboPig. Bro, he's walking so slowly. Bro, it's an easy kill. Just kill him. Sooner the better, because I'm going to get into a round. Okay, they're just teaming, I bet. That sucks. That sucks. Hot! Sorry, I'm eating hot popcorn. Buttery, though. That's good popcorn. I have that Roblox head. Oh! Huh. Oh! Alright. If I become piggy, I'll be so happy. Because I really want to earn coins. I can buy some right now, but I don't want to. But I bought a few skins, so that's good. Alright, we are not doing plant. Wait, no. Oh. go. Let's go on Piggy, guys. And you guys ain't coming out either. Ah. I'm eating right now. Hold on, guys. Popcorn. Okay. Alright, I'm in. Oh! Alright. AFK guy, I'm guessing. $10, get him. $10, not stupid. Looks like they must think I'm stupid or something. What's up, girl? You looking nasty today. Come here, girl. You must think I'm stupid or something. Get her. You must think I'm stupid. Nah. Oh, I have that one too. The memory. If only we were wearing the same skin. Okay, now what I need to get is my boy Jackson. Come here. Come here. There he is. Come here. Come here. What's up? No! I'm eating while playing. That's good stuff. Come here, butter boy. Let's go. How much coins I get from that? Oh! Look at that. Alright, we're in the game now. So, I'm not a piggy, so don't worry. I'm not that lucky, come on. And we're being mauled too, so. This is a map I'm actually good at. Totally forgot about that. Oh, there he is. Okay. Red key, red K. Something I learned on this map is never to go in the vents. It's just because I hate the vents. Red key, red. Oh, there you go. Green key, green. Blue key first, because blue. Oh, I thought it was piggy for a minute. Oh, I would have been screwed. Now I would have been mad. I would have been so mad. Okay, green key was there, right next to the shop. Or I should say right next to Piggy. But I think we need some card sport stuff before we get to the blue key. Oh, thank you, girl. Alright. What we got? Look around. Green key card. Alright. So first and most obviously. Alright, someone already used the wrench. Told you I'm good at this map. 8 minutes in. Almost half of everything is already done. So. Okay. Apparently the piggy, whoever piggy is, they're really laggy, so. That is both good and bad. Which means we were faster than them. Alright, see ya. What you got for me? That's arcade room. Okay. Don't need that crap anymore. Oh, grass, let's go. Once she comes back up, I'm gonna just get her knocked again. Super simple. Alright, anything in here? Oh, crowbar, obviously. Oh, no, guys. Jackson, watch this. There's a note here, but can't really get to, alright, whatever. I'll read it later. Piggy's back alive. You eat this, I'll shove it in your face. You better run. I'm gonna enjoy this. See ya! Deserved. Well deserved. Okay. We crowbar for both things. The bank down there, the ATM, and the things on the, whatever it's called. Nope. 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 Not going to that ever. Ever. No way. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's done. That's great. It's great. What'd you just grab, my boy? I think he grabbed a coin. Let's follow him. Let's steal his loot. Did you like not grab a coin? Like my guy, put it in. What do you have? Tell me what you got. What you got? He got my key. No, screw it. I don't care about that little flash thing. Yeah. Let's go. We need to crowbar and we're out of here. Let's go. Okay, look at the crowbar. This is the parkour I don't really want to do, so. Someone else, go ahead. She broke out, but she's somewhere. We need to find her and gather supporters. Ooh, haven't been in this place yet. My guess is the purple key has already been collected, so. I mean, it's already been used, so. I am gonna pick it up. Okay. Piggy's guarding the exit. I have no problem with that. Okay, then my boy Jack down. Jackson, you little loser. Where is that crowbar? Guys, don't tell me this is where we lose. We have too many goody goods. Crowbar sometimes blends in. Nope. Crowbar always likes to blend in on things. Holy God. Route. You heard me. I have the crowbar. Okay, I have an idea.